In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add phone fields in the Forminator forms in WordPress. First, you need to install and activate Forminator Forms plugin. I've already installed it. Now, if you want to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To configure this plugin, hover on to Forminator and click on Dashboard in the sidebar. Here you can create a new form or edit an existing one. Now, to add phone fields, click on Insert Fields. From various fields given over here, click on Phone Field. Now here in the pop-up, you can edit the label. You can even edit the placeholder text. Under Settings tab, you can make this field optional or required. Under the Styling tab, you can enter custom CSS code if you have any. The Visibility tab allows you to control field visibility. Once the field is added and customized, let's preview the form and check the field in action. You can see the phone number field here. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.